Hare Krishna. Everybody likes to hear stories, right? In our school days, college days. I'm going to tell you a small story. Right? Just take a minute. So, here is a boy called Raju, and there's an old lady, and she used to come and see children playing. And this Raju also used to play in a playground. So, Raju and his friends are playing, and this old woman would come every evening in the society, and she would see the small children, and she would bring some kaju. So she would give it to the children, and Raju especially liked kaju. Raju kaju. So she would call Raju, and the boy would come and say, "Hey, here is the kaju. You can have the kaju." And the Raju would take, "Yeah, thank you, grandma," and used to go and play. So every evening she used to bring kaju, and every evening Raju would wait for the kaju. So one day Raju got a question. Now, if you're all hearing this story, just pause the video and think, what question can he get? Okay, here is the question, basic question. Grandma, why are you getting the kaju? And she told, well, my son travels abroad and he gets a lot of chocolates made of kaju. And, that's the reason, I get the kaju, because you like. And then he again got a doubt. Second doubt, just think about it. What doubt can he get? So pause the video and think. Second doubt, okay. What doubt he got? But why are you getting me kaju? You can also eat the kaju, right? Your son gets the chocolates with kaju, and why don't you eat the kaju? Why are you getting it to me? And the old lady says, actually, I only like the chocolate. I don't like the kaju inside it. So I suck the whole chocolate and then I get the kaju. So maybe you like it, so I'm getting it to the playground. None of you expected that, right? My question to all of you, would you take the kaju? If you are that Raju, will you take the kaju? Will you take it? After you know that the old lady is sucking the whole chocolate and then bringing the kaju and giving it, will you take it? No, right? Now, what is the lesson you can learn from this? Unless you question, you wouldn't know the truth, right? If Raju would not have questioned, he would have been eating kaju forever. In the same way, in life, when we are leading a life, studying, going to a job, having children, making properties, and leading a life that everybody else lives in the society, you would never know the underlying secret, what exactly is going on. You would only know when some spiritual awakening happens. When spiritual awakening happens, you'll understand, what is this birth? Arey, how did I take birth? Arey, what is this? I'm becoming old. See, my hair is white, right? And what about the diseases that I'm getting? And oh my God, everybody's dying around me. Why is this happening? When you get these kind of questions, that's called Athato Brahma Jignasa, and then you start getting answers for that, and that is when you will start actually understanding